Good afternoon and welcome to another edition of Just Ask Dave. Today we're going to be looking at the 80cm dish. All your fittings and gubbins come together and we're going to look at fitting a single LMB to it. 80cm dishes are mainly used for European satellites. Right, to start off with, we need to fit the arm. As you can see, that's the back plate. This is the arm that comes through. As you can see on the end of the arm, there's two springy clips. Put it into the bottom, press the clips in, and as you can see then, clips come through the other side. Insert the arm through the hole in the bottom. Some holes on the dish where you put the arm up there. Just that off a second. Inside here you've got all your screws and your nuts and your bolts. First off, you need the bag with the nuts and bolts in. You require 4 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And you require 4 nuts. 1, 2, 3. You got your 4 nuts. What you do now, you need a 13mm spanner and a posi screwdriver. So start off again, put your arm back through there, line the holes up with your back plate, put the screw bit through the front of it, get your nut, put your nut on the back, tighten it all up. So what we'll do is we'll put all the bolts through first and the nuts, and then when we've done that we should tighten them all up together. That's the last screw putting in now to hold it secure. All you need to do now is just tighten it up. So you take your posi screwdriver at the front, put it into the screw, and then basically just tighten the nuts up to the back just to make it all secure. As you can see then now, your back plate onto your dish is securely placed on, showing out your LMB arm. Right, now you need to fit your LMB. Take your LMB holder, put it together on top like a little hinge, get your LMB, put it around the neck so you know it's secure or up to it. Take your small bolt out of your bag, place it through the middle of the LMB holder, get your Phillips screwdriver, screw it up so it's nice and tight. See, on your LMB holder is some little clips at the side. All they do now, go in through the top, press your clips in. As you can see, they've popped out in there. That now secures your LMB to your dish. What you can do now, you can do one of two things. You can pole mount it, so you come round to the back, lay it down. Here you have your bracket that goes on the back, bolts into there. Get your U-bolts, put them through like that. That goes through like that. Take another one, same again through the bottom. Spin it through, so you end up looking like that. Hit 2 clips, slide them through the ends. 4 nuts out the back. Tighten the nuts. Same again on the second one. So you end up with that for the time being. You then, inside your bag, is another 2 bolts. Put the back clip over the arm, as you can see. There's 2 holes where it pivots. Put your back through. Put your other one through. So then you're left with 2 nuts back in your bag. Get them out. Screw them onto the other side. All the nuts are 13mm, so you're going to require a 13mm spanner and a Phillips screwdriver to put these together. Tighten them up. Obviously you can put these on a pole on the wall, but for today, just to show you, we'll do a floor mounted one. Then get your dish. Tighten it. Put the ends around there, same again with that one. Might just have to loosen that and stuff for a minute. Obviously you can have a wall mounted satellite arm. Today I'm going to show you it on a floor mounted one. Make sure all the nuts are tightened up. As you can see on the side, there's your degreasers. Obviously find out which satellite you're looking for, set it to them degrees, and you can move it like that. And that's your 80cm dish fitted onto a pole, ideal for European satellites.